come with me on a 3-day fishing journey in which we had 5 successful but nail-biting blue marlin releases. The journey starts out at the Port Antonio Old Marina, where the Sir Henry Morgan Angling Association and Custos declare the tournament open. The boats declare the number of souls on board and the pin start is off. 7 o'clock lines in and it's go time. The day is hot and slow, but it only takes one strike to change all of that. Mikey Mira, a seasoned fisherman, gets to the rod and starts winding. Fights the fish in less than half an hour and brings him successfully to the boat for a good release. Fish was healthy and strong. We end the first day on first blue marlin for the tournament, taking the lead and going good. Upside down marlin flag flying high to signify a successful release. But far from over with boats like Narili right on our tail. Day 1